That's a satellite to start off part 10 of this. And Nick, what are you using? Where are you lighting? The deadly kind?
No. Is it plastic? Yeah.
Oh, God. This is one of the ones that's gonna spark. Sparkler.
I got good mom good with that one a while ago. That's gonna spark, Tate.
Oh yeah, my jam.
No, this is the one that sparks.
Oh, that's a green.
No.
Oh my God! Oh God! What the? Oh, what the fuck?
The thing went on Tate's butt.
Ah! That thing flew right at me. What the?
Did you get it on tape?
Ah!
Were you recording?
I figure you'd be laughing even more now, yeah. I was recording. Okay, that is the most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to me.
Hello?
Bigger war zone.
Did you catch that thing?
Yeah.
Are we going to do the sparklers last? Hello?
Y'all can do those anytime.
Yeah.
No,
That was funny.
I'm gonna lay a smoke bomb.
It's not deadly.
I know it's not deadly.
No.
I just threw a smoke bomb.
A bomb of smoke. I want to do one of these.
Is that plane, Nick?
Here comes the satellite. Everyone
Whoa. Okay, satellite just hit the wall. No, I'm not. Nick is. Or he's the ex-satellite magnet.
hit you.
Fine. God.
Oh, watch out.
Okay.
Here comes the airplane.
Okay, this is the airplane, the grand finale for part 10 of 4th of July fireworks.
Oh no.
It ain't no dud. Okay, that was cool. See ya in part 11.